2017, the WRV was the first crossover model from Honda. The car is based on the Jazz platform and uses a lot of underpinnings of the Jazz. Now, with the BS6 norms in place, the WRV has got a facelift, it's got a new heart, the BS6 engines, and a lot many features coming in. Here with us is the 2020 WRV. Find out all about it with us on Motor World India. Now, with the BS6 norms coming in, the Honda WRV gets a new BS6 compliant engine and a lot many small changes outside and inside, making this the latest WRV on the block. In terms of exterior styling, the 2020 edition of the WRV gets an all new face. The WRV now gets a new grille which includes horizontal slats and a chrome insert. There are new LED projector headlamps, integrated DRLs and LED fog lamps as well. The front bumper also gets totally redone and now comes with a silver skid plate. The side profile remains totally unchanged. Like the side profile, the rear profile also remains unchanged except for the new LED tail lamps. Like the front bumper, the rear bumper also gets silver inserts and black cladding and twin reflectors placed on them. On the inside, the changes are very evident. You get an all-black interior with a nicely laid out dashboard in black with thick silver inserts. The instrument cluster gets typical Honda styling, which consists of 3 pods with RPM, speedo and a neat looking TFT unit. The steering is simple in design and gets leather wrapping with silver inserts on it. You get height and reach adjust on this retro looking steering. The climate control retains the unique feather touch unit. The highlight here is the inclusion of the latest generation touchscreen AVN unit. You get Honda's 2.0 version of the Digipad with a 7-inch touchscreen that is compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This unit is also highly customizable. The trademark storage bins and cubby holes of the Jazz and WRV are very much retained here on this update. You have loads of storage places for your knickknacks and also the unique cup holders cleverly placed just beside the AC vents. The seats get new pattern upholstery with premium embossed mesh styling. Driver's seat also gets manual height adjust. Front seats offer excellent support and comfort, giving the driver a very clear view of the road ahead. Rear seats come with fixed headrest and also miss out on foldable armrests. Rear AC vents are also sorely missed here. Also missed are the magic seats that the Jazz has. The roof comes with shark fin antenna, roof rails and an electric sunroof. With this update, the WRV now looks a lot beefier and chunky. The car looks a lot trendier and has loads of road presence. The Honda WRV with the BS6 update gets the same diesel and petrol engine options with BS6 compliance. The petrol engine is a 1.2 liter iVTEC unit. This engine makes 90 PS of power and has 110 Nm of torque. The diesel that we are driving hits out 100 PS of power and has 200 Nm of torque. Both the engines come mated to 6-speed manual transmissions. There is no automatic option as yet. First thing that you notice inside the diesel WRV with this BS6 update is the refinement. The cabin feels very silent. The engine noise is very low as compared to the older one. The 1.5 liter iVTEC engine has come a long way since it was first introduced on the Amaze in India in its diesel form. This engine feels highly refined. It has loads of power, it has loads of torque under it. The gear shift on the diesel WRV is very positive. The steering is well balanced is all that we can say. The WRV gets the latest Honda Digipad 2 infotainment system. Now this system is compatible to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and it is easy to use. The display is quite richer than before, and the system also works much more faster than the older one. Being a Honda, the suspension has been tuned on the softer side. You get that typical Honda premium feel driving around in the WRV. The Honda WRV with the BS6 update not only gets new engine but gets in lot many features, lot many cosmetic changes to it. The car feels good, the car feels typical Honda. Though it misses out on few features, but then you have loads of space, tons and tons of headroom and legroom, and a very capable and a competent diesel and petrol engine. You have the trademark Honda value, the trademark Honda USP. The WRV makes for a very good crossover in this price range.